I'm Chuck Schaefer, and I'm here at SugarCRM's SugarCon with Sugar CEO Larry Augustin. Larry, thank you for taking some time out of a busy day at a very busy event.
Thank you, Chuck. Happy to spend the time with you.
Very good. Larry, during this event, you have articulated 3 underlying constructs that act as principles in the company's vision and really dive down into the delivery of application software. And you call those principles user first, open cloud, and open ecosystem. And I just want to explore those in a little bit of detail. So let's start with user first.
Yes.
Can you share with me what do you mean by user first?
Well, user first for us expresses our focus that the first user of a CRM system is the customer-facing business professional. That is, it's the salesperson about to talk to the customer. So we think of the first use case. When we design anything, that first use case is a salesperson about to have a conversation. What can we do for them? How can we make and add value and teach them, let them know the information they need to know as they're about to have that conversation?
So you design those use cases, and that ultimately goes into the design of the application software.
Yes.
So you're effectively using user first as a principle to answer the question, what's in it for me?
Yes.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. Let's talk a little bit about open cloud. Open cloud sounds as though it means cloud ubiquity and cloud portability, but help me understand what you mean by open cloud, and also help me understand why is this principle important to a company that's just about to make a CRM software investment.
So cloud ubiquity, cloud portability are a big part of open cloud. But fundamentally, the value that cloud ubiquity and cloud portability brings to a customer is control.
Sure.
It's control of their data. It's control of their future in their systems. So one of the challenges of cloud environments is that you can be locked in. And once your data is in a SaaS vendor or on a specific cloud, you have to ask the question, can I ever leave that? What happens if I leave? Right? So we believe in that open environment, open APIs, open interfaces, and an open platform there on which people can build to take their data and system anywhere.
So if I hear you right, open cloud is giving customers flexibility to one, determine the cloud hosting provider of their choice based upon what's important to them.
Yes.
Maybe proximity is important. Maybe it's the SLA. Maybe it's the cost. But regardless, they can choose the hosting provider that's right for them, or they can move, which brings the flexibility element.
Yes.
That portability, that's powerful. And it's interesting as well because you've added a new question in the selection process where I think most buyers are saying, what's the cost of entry? And frankly, not considering what's the cost of exit.
Right. That's
you
right.
are bringing cost of exit to the forefront in a very positive way, back to the flexibility issue.
Well, and if you're asking the question, our answer is we'll take and bring that cost of exit down so that it's not an issue.
Right.
Right? Whereas if you're out in a SaaS platform where you can't touch the data, you don't have all that access, there is a cost of exit.
Yeah.
Right? So we take that away as an issue.
I think you take it away as an issue, and there's also an investment protection mechanism here. Because if I, as a customer, am using a CRM solution that only runs on one cloud, and I choose to extend my solution with internal development, new firmware, new code basically, well, and I do move, or have the option to move, I want to take that investment with me.
That's right.
You're telling me in your scenario, I can take that investment with me and protect that investment.
You can take that investment with you and bring it wherever you need to bring it.
Very good. Let me ask you about your third principle of open ecosystem. And if you could explain what that means to you, that would be helpful.
So open ecosystem somewhat incorporates and extends the open cloud concept. But open ecosystem for us is fundamentally about bringing lots of partners, lots of related software vendors, and many other people to the table in working with our customers. Because of our open source heritage, we have architected the product such that it's possible for anyone as an ISV to come in and build extensions to our product They don't have to sign an agreement with us to do that. They don't have to come to us for special development tools. They don't have to come to us for a proprietary language to build on. They don't have to come to us in terms of having just one platform where they can deploy. And we regularly find, because of this, we'll show up at an event like SugarCon, and during the course of the week, dozens of other vendors will announce integrations, add-ons, extensions to our product.
Sure.
Because we've enabled that we didn't even know they were coming, right? And that really, for the customer, it means that the customer, the user of SugarCRM, is going to have access to a much wider variety of add-ons, extensions in terms of the product, and other ecosystems partners that will make a richer environment for them. We know we can't create all the integrations that need to be created in the world. We know we can't create all the customizations. We know we can't serve every single vertical just ourselves as the vendor. But we can create a great platform, an open platform, in an open ecosystem that allows our customers, partners, ISVs to serve a wide variety of environments, verticals, markets. And that's how we're going to reach the market.
That's how you're going to scale.
That's how we're going to scale it, yes.
Very good. Larry, let me transition from Sugar Vision to Sugar Business Execution. The company is achieving triple-digit growth.
Yes.
The company has now amassed over 1 million end users. The company is taking on a very significant venture investment at a time when the company is also cash flow positive. A lot of things going right.
You said it as better than I can.
Well, let me ask you, let me drill under that. What are the factors that are most contributing to achieving these quite good milestones?
Well, I think there's a number of things. One thing is, I do think we're benefiting from an economy that's in a reasonable place. More. So part of the benefit is just, quite frankly, there's a rising tide raises all ships. So we're benefiting from some of that. That's one thing. But also, I think the principles we just outlined are also evident there. I think the market is looking for, at least in the CRM space, a different type of vendor. A vendor that can bring an open solution. A vendor that as I walk through those principles, focuses on the user first, brings a variety of ecosystem partners to play, is a good partner in the market.
Right, for my last question, if we look forward, how are you going to enhance or append this vision and your business strategy to provide more competitive differentiation, a more competitive advantage in what is a pretty crowded marketplace?
Yes. It's a crowded marketplace, but also in some ways a narrow marketplace, a small marketplace. If you look at our true competitors out there, there's only a few as we see it in the market. And that's where I say I think the market is looking for a new vendor, in particular a pure play. So as I look at where we're going to stay very focused around CRM. We're going to stay a pure play CRM vendor. That means we're not expanding into HR, we're not expanding into financials, we're not expanding into marketing automation. We're not doing those things that I think you see the other vendors doing there. Our strength in CRM has historically been mid-market. You will continue to see us emphasize that and develop the channel. Over 60% of our business today goes through that channel, and you'll continue to see us emphasize that. We now have over 400 bars in that mid-market channel. We will continue to push on that, and that is an emphasis of ours, a strength, and we are not going to lose that. You'll see us now expand up into the enterprise, and this is an area where we have now begun to put some investment in. We have, I think, a fantastic vision of where we're going in the product. It's a very easy-to-use product that leverages social, that adds value to the salesperson, that adds value to the customer-facing business professional, and you're going to see exciting things continue to come out from us. So we have a great roadmap for that I'm really excited about.
Well, I'm looking forward to that. And with that response, I think we're at a good break point. I'm Chuck Schaefer. I'm live at SugarCon with Sugar CEO Larry Augustin. Larry, thank you for taking the time today.
Thank you, Chuck. Great to have the discussion with you.